In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an event in Google Calendar. This skill is incredibly useful, whether you're trying to clean up your schedule, cancel a meeting, or simply manage your time more effectively. So let's dive into the details. First, let's talk about how to delete a single event. Start by opening Google Calendar on your device. You can do this on your computer or through the mobile app, whichever is more convenient for you. Once you have it open, locate the event you want to remove. It's as simple as scrolling to the correct date and time where the event is scheduled. Now that you've found the event, all you need to do is click on it. This will bring up a pop-up with more details about the event. Inside this pop-up, look for a small trash can icon, often accompanied by the word delete. Click on this icon. Depending on the settings and the importance of the event, you might be prompted to confirm your decision. If a confirmation message appears, go ahead and confirm that you want to delete the event. And just like that, your event will be removed from the calendar. Now, what if you have a recurring event that you want to delete? Perhaps it's a weekly meeting that is no longer happening. The process is just as straightforward with a few extra options. Start by clicking on any occurrence of this recurring event. Again, look for the trash can icon in the pop-up. It might also say delete. Click on it, and you'll see a new set of choices specific to recurring events. You'll have three options here. The first is this event, which will delete only the specific occurrence you clicked on. This is perfect if, say, one instance of the meeting is canceled, but others are still happening. The second option is this and following events, which will delete the occurrence you clicked on as well as all future ones. It's useful when the meeting series is ending after a particular date. Finally, there's the all events option. Selecting this will remove every instance of the event, wiping it from your calendar completely, covering both past and future occurrences. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough guide on deleting both single and recurring events from Google Calendar. Taking control of your schedule and making adjustments as your plans change don't have to be complicated. With these easy steps, managing your calendar becomes a breeze. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Google Calendar efficiently.